sandwiches. I like sandwiches. I like sandwiches.
And little things like this I could just take out as I plant everything out. But I got some of these on Amazon. They're not that big, like not even my hand's length. So I'll call that 3 inches tall, maybe. And what I do is that right there. I firm it down just a little bit, and I will be watering these in fairly nicely, and I'll leave a little bit of space. You try to pack it in as much as possible so that once you water it, it doesn't just come out the bottom. Well, the seeds won't just come out the bottom. So that's one. And like I said, generally this is how I know it's a good soil, is that when you get ready to transplant your plant out, right? And say I filled a whole bucket full of this, and I went and did like this to the bucket, right? And I smoothed all the area, and I just lifted that out of there. See that hole that's still there? If this was a real plant, I would then flip it over. See that? This still fits. And then this is gonna fall apart probably, but then I would turn it and put it into there like that, and that is some good soil. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate you.
I like sandwiches. I like sandwiches. I like sandwiches. Sandwiches, they oh so delicious. So many options, your head will start spinning. Turkey, ham, olives, cremini. Cozy it up between buns and come